to Sound Bites Academy. You have reached day 6 of our 30 Days English Level Up Challenge for beginners. Can you help me with this crossword puzzle? I'm stuck on a clue, and your assistance in solving it would be greatly appreciated.
Can you help me with this crossword puzzle? I'm stuck on a clue, and your assistance in solving it would be greatly appreciated.
What is your plan today? I'm going to the airport to pick up my parents who are flying in for a long-awaited visit. We are excited to spend quality time together while exploring our city's attractions and hidden gems.
What is your plan today? I'm going to the airport to pick up my parents who are flying in for a long-awaited visit. We are excited to spend quality time together while exploring our city's attractions and hidden gems.
Clement is my true friend, who offers support, laughter, and companionship through both joyous and challenging times.
Clement is my true friend, who offers support, laughter, and companionship through both joyous and challenging times.
As I'm heading to the dentist this afternoon for a routine checkup and cleaning, I can't help but feel a bit anxious about the potential discomfort.
As I'm heading to the dentist this afternoon for a routine checkup and cleaning, I can't help but feel a bit anxious about the potential discomfort.
I enjoy going for a jog in the park to stay fit and improve my health while enjoying the beauty of nature and the fresh air.
I enjoy going for a jog in the park to stay fit and improve my health while enjoying the beauty of nature and the fresh air.
I'm planning to redecorate my bedroom with a fresh coat of paint, new curtains, and some decorative items to create a more relaxing and inviting atmosphere.
I'm planning to redecorate my bedroom with a fresh coat of paint, new curtains, and some decorative items to create a more relaxing and inviting atmosphere.
The traffic is heavy during rush hour, so it's advisable to plan your commute ahead, consider alternative routes, or utilize public transportation to avoid unnecessary delays and frustration.
The traffic is heavy during rush hour, so it's advisable to plan your commute ahead, consider alternative routes, or utilize public transportation to avoid unnecessary delays and frustration.
I love watching documentaries about nature and wildlife as they provide a captivating glimpse into the wonders of the natural world and foster a deeper appreciation for our environment.
I love watching documentaries about nature and wildlife as they provide a captivating glimpse into the wonders of the natural world and foster a deeper appreciation for our environment.
The view from the top of the mountain was breathtaking. offering panoramic vistas of lush green valleys, majestic peaks, and the serenity that comes with being immersed in nature's beauty.
The view from the top of the mountain was breathtaking, offering panoramic vistas of lush green valleys, majestic peaks, and the serenity that comes with being immersed in nature's beauty.
I'm going to the bank to withdraw some money, pay bills, and inquire about investment opportunities to ensure financial stability and manage my personal finances efficiently.
I'm going to the bank to withdraw some money, pay bills, and inquire about investment opportunities to ensure financial stability and manage my personal finances efficiently.
Science fiction novels are my favorites because they transport me to imaginative realms, where futuristic technologies, otherworldly creatures, and captivating plots spark my imagination and sense of wonder.
Science fiction novels are my favorites because they transport me to imaginative realms, where futuristic technologies, otherworldly creatures, and captivating plots spark my imagination and sense of wonder.
I'm studying for an important exam, diligently reviewing course materials, practicing problem-solving techniques, and seeking clarification on challenging topics to ensure a solid grasp of the subject matter.
I'm studying for an important exam, diligently reviewing course materials, practicing problem-solving techniques, and seeking clarification on challenging topics to ensure a solid grasp of the subject matter.
I'm planning to go on a road trip across the country, embarking on a thrilling adventure where I'll explore diverse landscapes, iconic landmarks, and immerse myself in the rich culture of different regions.
I'm planning to go on a road trip across the country, embarking on a thrilling adventure where I'll explore diverse landscapes, iconic landmarks, and immerse myself in the rich culture of different regions.
The bookstore has a wide selection of novels, ranging from classic literature that has stood the test of time to contemporary bestsellers that reflect the pulse of current literary trends and interests.
The bookstore has a wide selection of novels, ranging from classic literature that has stood the test of time to contemporary bestsellers that reflect the pulse of current literary trends and interests.
I'm meeting a friend for coffee at our favorite cafe, a cozy haven where we can unwind, catch up on each other's lives, and savor the rich aroma and flavors of freshly brewed beverages.
I'm meeting a friend for coffee at our favorite cafe, a cozy haven where we can unwind, catch up on each other's lives, and savor the rich aroma and flavors of freshly brewed beverages.
When I go to the supermarket to buy groceries for the week, I carefully select fresh produce, pantry staples, and household essentials to ensure a well-stocked kitchen and meet my dietary needs.
When I go to the supermarket to buy groceries for the week, I carefully select fresh produce, pantry staples, and household essentials to ensure a well-stocked kitchen and meet my dietary needs.
The cafe has a cozy ambiance and serves delicious pastries and coffee, providing a welcoming space to unwind, indulge in delectable treats, and savor the aroma and flavors of expertly brewed beverages.
The cafe has a cozy ambiance and serves delicious pastries and coffee, providing a welcoming space to unwind, indulge in delectable treats, and savor the aroma and flavors of expertly brewed beverages.
Can you recommend a good book for leisure reading that offers a compelling narrative, well-developed characters, and a thought-provoking storyline that keeps readers engrossed from start to finish?
Can you recommend a good book for leisure reading that offers a compelling narrative, well-developed characters, and a thought-provoking storyline that keeps readers engrossed from start to finish?
I'm attending a wedding this weekend, celebrating the union of two individuals in a joyous ceremony filled with love, laughter, heartfelt vows, and unforgettable moments shared with family and friends.
I'm attending a wedding this weekend, celebrating the union of two individuals in a joyous ceremony filled with love, laughter, heartfelt vows, and unforgettable moments shared with family and friends.
My family and I enjoy spending quality time together, whether it's cooking a meal, playing games, or going on outings.
My family and I enjoy spending quality time together, whether it's cooking a meal, playing games, or going on outings.
I love spending quality time with my family, whether it's cooking together, playing games, or simply having heartfelt conversations.
I love spending quality time with my family, whether it's cooking together, playing games, or simply having heartfelt conversations.
Have you visited my neighborhood? It is peaceful and friendly, coupled with tree-lined streets, well-kept gardens, and a strong sense of community.
Have you visited my neighborhood? It is peaceful and friendly, coupled with tree-lined streets, well-kept gardens, and a strong sense of community.
As a student, I strive to excel in my studies, actively participate in class discussions, and engage in extracurricular activities.
As a student, I strive to excel in my studies, actively participate in class discussions, and engage in extracurricular activities.
Rocky is my pet dog who always brings immense joy to our family with his wagging tail, playful antics, and unwavering loyalty.
Rocky is my pet dog who always brings immense joy to our family with his wagging tail, playful antics, and unwavering loyalty.
The new restaurant in town offers a diverse menu, featuring delectable dishes from around the world, ensuring there's something for everyone's taste.
The new restaurant in town offers a diverse menu, featuring delectable dishes from around the world, ensuring there's something for everyone's taste.
Do you like trying on different outfits? Absolutely. It is like a mini fashion show, as we experiment with various styles, colors, and accessories to create our perfect look.
Do you like trying on different outfits? Absolutely. It is like a mini fashion show, as we experiment with various styles, colors, and accessories to create our perfect look.
Can you share with me some tips to stay healthy? Yes. Drinking plenty of water, eating a balanced diet, and getting enough sleep are essential for maintaining good health and well-being.
Can you share with me some tips to stay healthy? Yes. Drinking plenty of water, eating a balanced diet, and getting enough sleep are essential for maintaining good health and well-being.
How is it like spending a day at the beach? With golden sand between my toes and the soothing sound of waves, it instantly lifts my spirits and brings a sense of relaxation.
How is it like spending a day at the beach? With golden sand between my toes and the soothing sound of waves, it instantly lifts my spirits and brings a sense of relaxation.
Celebrating festivals with loved ones, be it Diwali, Christmas, or Eid, fills our hearts with joy, cultural pride, and a sense of togetherness.
Celebrating festivals with loved ones, be it Diwali, Christmas, or Eid, fills our hearts with joy, cultural pride, and a sense of togetherness.
Pursuing a fulfilling career not only brings financial stability but also provides an avenue for personal growth, learning, and making a positive impact on society.
Pursuing a fulfilling career not only brings financial stability but also provides an avenue for personal growth, learning, and making a positive impact on society.
When it comes to choosing an outfit, I prefer comfortable and casual attire over formal attire.
When it comes to choosing an outfit, I prefer comfortable and casual attire over formal attire.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.